Hey everyone! Imagine saving over $10,000 a year by replacing expensive cloud-based software with free, self-hostable alternatives. That's exactly what my team and I did, and the results have been incredible, not just in cost savings, but also in productivity. If you're using tools like Notion, Zapier, Make, Airtable, PostHog, or other costly SaaS solutions, you definitely want to check this out. Let's dive into the 6 powerful alternatives we're using and how they compare to their mainstream counterparts. We loved Notion but found it becoming too expensive and cluttered as it evolved into an everything app. So, we split its functions into 3 specialized tools. Docmost, a free, open-source alternative for internal wikis and documentation. It's simple, effective, and easy to deploy on your own servers. Plain, a minimalistic project management tool. You can self-host it for free or purchase a one-time $799 upgrade for premium features like time tracking and real-time collaboration. Strapi, the headless CMS that's perfect for managing blogs and newsletters. It's free to self-host unless you need premium features like single sign-on. Automation is crucial, but both Zapier and Make became costly and sluggish as our workflows expanded. We switched to N8N, an open-source automation tool that allows for unlimited workflows when self-hosted. It's faster, more powerful, and even has an AI agent integration that outperforms competitors. I have a full video on how to build AI agents with N8N, check it out at the end of this video. Airtable is fantastic, but we wanted a free, private alternative. NocoDB is an excellent open-source database management tool that functions similarly to Airtable. It's simpler but highly effective, and when self-hosted, it keeps all your data secure on your own servers. Analytics tools like PostHog and Amplitude are expensive and often frustratingly inaccurate. We switched to a self-hosted PostgreSQL database for event logging and use Grafana for visualization. The results? More accurate analytics, complete customization, and 0 extra costs. Even if you're not great at SQL, ChatGPT can help fine-tune your queries for better reporting. AI tools like ChatGPT are great, but they come with recurring costs. DeepSeek, an open-source AI model, offers a comparable experience while running on significantly fewer resources. You can even host it yourself for a fixed monthly cost of just €84 on a Hetzner GPU server. This is a game-changer, especially for businesses relying on AI-powered solutions. Transitioning to self-hostable software isn't just about cutting costs, it's about gaining control over your data, security, and workflow efficiency. I've linked all these tools in the description, so check them out and see if they fit your needs. Also, support these open-source projects by starring them on GitHub, it really makes a difference. Want to see how I built an AI agent using N8N? Watch my next video for a full walkthrough. See you there.